So today is 45.2 on ES and 32 on MNQ. Percent win rate, so I'm not taking MNQ, but I'm taking MES on the school run. I'm not taking any first 5-minute breakouts, but we are, as usual, trading this account with SIM, 40 accounts as usual size. You probably will, oops, okay, let's put this like this, just to make sure I see that. And let's put it here, just a little bit smaller. And good, 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 good. Yeah, so, oh boy, yesterday was a weird thing. I had 2 wins, one on ES, one on NQ, but I was not trading because I was pretty fucking sure that today is NFP day and I'm not trading before NFP. But then I discovered that one day before NFP, it is 50% chance on MNQ to be a winner. Nice. I discovered a loophole in my system and I fixed it. And I fixed it for the next time before NFP that I will trade NQ. Good. So that's good, right? Before NFP. Sorry. Yes. Okay, sorry. But then, only today, I discovered another thing, that today is not NFP fucking day. Why did that happen? Well, because I misclicked the calendar and I was doing it on November first week, not in October. So that's quite funny. So eventually what happened yesterday is that I missed 2 winning trades. Okay? So which is like pretty darn nice, right? Uh, Pretty darn nice. I missed 2 winning trades on my statistics on my end. That was 2 winners in a row. This week would be massive, right? This week would be massive. I need to cut the loss probably, and I'm going for shorts. This week would be massive. Like first opening week, everything's fine, Gucci. Just perfection to perfection. Simply awesome. But then, no, what happened actually is that we failed with our statistics. I'm not sure why that happened. By the way, ES is pushing up, so probably NQ will follow. And okay, today I totally fucked up. Okay, I'm sorry. I will go for longs again. Can I? Where's what? I'm very sorry. But I have to go for longs on double longs. So that's like amazing. Amazing creature I am, right? I'm super duper amazing creature. I have made myself. I just missed a very, very good day where my two setups worked. and there was no drawbacks, no drawdowns, nothing. They just worked. Yeah. So today I'm not FOMOing, I'm not doing anything. I'm just, yes, a little bit sad. That is obvious. I'm a little bit disappointed in myself that I made those mistakes. So every time I start a trading day, I'll have to double check everything. Is the news correct? Is tomorrow news correct? Is this week's news correct? Is everything is correct that I've already been trying to count as many times as possible? You know what I mean? Because right now it seems that I'm just kind of, I don't know, like doing my best, but my brain is farting sometimes. Like for instance, right now, I made three losers in a row, right? Demo is very bad, like terribly bad. None of that worked. None of that. So today's minus 7,000 on demo. Wowzers, wowzers. Okay, okay, Johnny B. I think it's like first trade was not bad. That was a setup trade. When, but now these three trades. I'm trying again for longs for this target area. I'm putting it somewhere here. I'm losing again 5,000. If I'm losing, I'm doubling down that a lot actually, which is crazy. Is that a wick that will follow us to the downside? That's also a possibility, but like I'm thinking longs, longs, longs right now. So today is a day where I have to watch myself, not to try to get it like all back. What I kind of didn't earn yesterday, that might be my disaster or something like that. But I'm thinking that this is not the case because my setups are very easy, and I think that it's just it can happen, but I don't think so. I think that we will continue to the upside today, all-time highs or something like that, or we will just kerfuffle here, and my 45% win rate on MES will give me that win, or not. I don't know. So I'll end up my week break even, but that's also okay. I have to think about outcomes. I have to think about money because we eventually are playing for money, but you know, it's just what is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So right now, when we're doing this stuff, I hate to be somewhere here because what eventually happens, the fake breakouts. So there is a big, big probability that we will have one fake breakout to some side, and we'll come back to another side. So in that case, if I would be me, I would have to put my stop loss somewhere here. Like if that would be a normal trade. Like if I would be trading, for instance, this. I don't care. I'm not looking at money. I'm just looking at structure, right? And if I would be here, yeah, that looked a bit like a attempted breakout. Maybe we would have another one. This is a good low, and that one's obviously a low where we will spend a lot of time. Okay, so So, mm, yeah, up and over to 25 200s. Is that even possible? And we have NNQ. Mm, like if like no, I'm not trading. I'm not giving up anything today for this to try that. Even if it's a win, it means it's only 33% chance to be a winner, right? Which puts us on very disadvantage because 33 in the long run with my strategy is just a break even. Even I don't receive anything, So I'm not trying to do anything here. ES is pushing, Nasdaq is following. So overall, if I would be still long from here, I wouldn't be in such a deep shithole at all. That was only 73 ticks, was 100 ticks still in play. And I would be right now, I would have gone with the profits. Well, now we are 4 times bigger, half of the profits, and we're thinking about this break, and we will follow this one up until that area or this area. Yes, it's pushing, so we have all eyes on this break to the upside. I could enter with my real account, with one MES, just to make sure that I get those 50 ticks, which is $25, which is nothing. Like, I don't. Yeah. Okay, so we are like struggling, but the struggle bus will continue. I think when ES is pushing, we will be pushing. So there's no problem waiting for me. I'm definitely like, we will go. We will go. There is a chance for that, but I'm like pretty sure this is the good target. Okay. So that's another 5 minute, and we will be going for 5 minute opening range break. Yes, it's just pushing. It doesn't care about anything else. It's just pushing up. So we will wait for school run on MES, and we'll have to go. I'll have to go because I have to pick up my kids. I do not like that, but just that was the first attempt long, so I do not like that. I'm just curious a little bit. So maybe we should just at least right now, like here-ish, right? Still have to give some room, but that bam. um, we all saw that, right? 30 points, like bam. Okay. Like here also, all this work that has been done is in. Ouch! 1 second. That took like literally 1 second. One, like 20, 21, 1. Yeah, that, and I would have lost. You see, my MNQ would have been a loser. So we can put it on the table, in our statistics. It's 0.01, whatever. It's just okay, 0.05 maybe. I don't know. We didn't trade that. We are waiting for this one. Oh my god. See, Fridays, look, if we attempt to skip PPIs, Powell's, President Trump, Powell's, 43, okay. We skip Trump's, Powell's, 42.4. Hey, that's weird actually. What was the biggest okay, it's Friday, so how did I manage to do that? On oh, okay, I'm not trading these ones, so that's 44. But other Fridays, okay, CPI, okay, CPI Fridays are not. Wait, 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 wait. CPI Friday. Okay, so then PPI. That is weird. Like PPI on P. What? How many do we have those? Oh, I don't see. Then the for wow, President Trump is actually doing a good job to putting markets up, but like that's weird. PPI, PP, like what? That happened to sometimes, and it's actually wow, that's weird. Okay, and the Fridays where FOMC members did you know did you Fed Powell. So without if we exclude those, that's kind of 43. Well, it's not bad, but I was actually expecting a bit more since this one's 43. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, this is very, very weird price action. We came here to yesterday's value. I'm looking like a little bit to the downside, but also, why, like, I also heard some fucking news that confirmed me that this is, we're waiting. Is that what we are waiting? Oh, he's okay. That's And you know what? What concerns me? That next week we have this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. So all the FOMC members speaking, and here on open and on FOMC minutes also, but day before Fed fund rates, before Fed fund of FOMC. Okay, I'm still not trading, which is good, 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 good. So I'm trading only Monday, and the NFP at FOMC. I wonder, statistically, these Mondays, I think that they should suck a massive D. You know what I mean?
I think such Mondays should suck a massive. Oh, I'm not trading ES, by the way. Okay, okay. And we take out before Fed Fund FLMC. Okay, that's a good Monday, to be fair with you. That's a very good Monday. That's like, it even had class, like that was 23. Okay. there, there was not such big. Okay. So on this day, okay, we will just figure it out on the way. But Fed Fund FOMC 2 days before Fed Fund FOMC Monday, which is like this day, I cannot find anything else similar. Okay, so fine. Also, like Monday's 39 is not the worst, but good. Good. So we are trading next Monday. And here it seems that we cannot find any direction today. Like we are rolling, bowling, everything doing properly, but we are not finding any direction whatsoever. We kind of want to buy, we don't want to buy. Also, okay, if we are doing this, let's do Fridays only. And today is ISM service PMI. ISM service PMI, which was like, okay, that is like, and here, maybe here, no, ISM service PMI, no, ISM, what, fifth, so it's a very bad win rate, but we have only 3 instances. When did that happen? ISM service PMI, like only one, and that was 2 years ago. Okay, so this is statistically irrelevant. This is statistically irrelevant. Okay, 10 more minutes and we're gonna have some fun, right? We're trying to do something here. Probably will go for longs today. At least it seems so. So it's 27 ticks right now. Let's put it in this perspective. Oh my god, 27 ticks. We'll have to buy 9 contracts. Okay, it's getting better. Like ES is breaking over the highs and it's pushing up. I just don't like that it started to do it right now. NQ is still lagging below, but there is a big chance we're gonna go again for long trade to the highs. I would like to see this momentum stall a little bit, just to take a breather before the news. So 37 ticks. Okay. 37, which is a bit better now. We'll have to buy 6 or 7 contracts, which is a very odd number. 37. So, what are we doing here? Are we risking less or are we risking more? Because if I would be risking more, I would be getting like 170, but I think, yeah, this time I'm risking less. Since last time we had more risk, so today is less risk. I mean, that's always kind of what will be the same. And I don't know when is loser, when is the winner, and I'm just not jeopardizing. Like I'm not overdoing this. It's like $12 less than I should be risking, so that's a very slight difference. And as you can see, Nasdaq also was barcoding, very like stupidly barcoding. ES is kind of all right. It tries to go, it went just little touched over that, which is like very sexy for me. I would like to see that the price stays here for some time and then we would have that break to the upside. NQ is just freaking dropping. Is it really waiting for this news? Is it important? We'll see what ES will do because so it's 6 contracts, right? So it's 6. For now it's 6 and we'll have to be precise. It's my trading account, my money. Just before a few seconds before the news, we will put on the trade because I know that it's news is dangerous for wicks, but on the other hand, when I've tested, I have been very exact and very precise on everything, right? So I haven't seen, like statistically, a big difference in ES on news time. So there is no data for me to back up that I need, for example, to wait for another comeback and then put a trade or something like that. I know there will be slippage. I know there will be some things. So maybe I could potentially actually put that on right here because let's be honest, like there is a big chance that we will, when we squeeze, we will miss few ticks. And okay, so it's not news time, right? It's not news time yet. Please be patient and please don't make this setup already somehow, I don't know, not work. Come back to the medium, come back to the medium, and then we'll have the perfect time, okay? Perfect time together. You just come back up. You don't know, the decision is very unclear. The markets will be thin, and we'll have like out of the speed and everything, the volume, it's somehow looking like the markets are waiting for this news. They will break out or fake out. I don't know. So it's now very, very odd position. It it can go both ways because this 15-minute bar is just, if you take a look, it was up and down, not stayed in the middle, no nothing. It just was up and down. Now we haven't sellers, but the volume up there. Yeah, the volume is up there. We're spending some time. We're trying to break out. Okay, so 6 is still 6. Even if we have 40, it's better for me. If we have 45, wait, yeah, oh, 45. Okay, 2 ticks in. So we're still on 6, which is even better for me. I mean, like, bro, this is kind of, yeah, lots of movement. So we are in 2 ticks yet. So 2 ticks. That was for 37, so 39, which is exactly much, much better for me. Right? Let's see. Will there be a pull? Okay, market is getting thinner. You see? These gaps is getting thinner. So okay, the pullback. Yeah, very good, very good. Hopefully we'll stay there for some time, but that's okay. So how much do we? 45. Another 5 ticks will change the life. Okay, another 5 ticks could change my life to 5. Okay, there's some tension in this trade. There's some tension, but I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything stupid. I'm just preparing myself for both ways as usual. I want to be like for okay, I need to be exact. Like 1 second below. 1 second okay, let's put it on. And we're in it. Slippage, not that bad, 2 ticks. Okay. TP, where's TP? Where's my TP? What should it be? Okay. 157. So that was like that could be it. I mean, this could be the most of what we achieved. This could be it. I mean, that break got everything it needed. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's my target. So, okay, it's 5 o'clock, by the way. I need to go. I'll have this watching on the phone. So I need this to be like this, maybe huge numbers, huge everything. And okay, wish me luck. Okay, it's kind of going my way very fast indeed, which is fine. Oh, my work PC is online. The shit. Okay, we didn't reach 90, where would my be profit taking stop loss? Okay, so yeah, like thing with Nasdaq is also it potentially it reached very ugly thing. Okay. but that didn't reach yet. So okay, let's go. I need to pick up my door. So they're actually weird. How NQ is still kind of in the same area than what ES did. So I was on 70 something percent. ES is not performing well these days. Oh, it's not these days, it's just Fridays. It's performing good. All good, all good. I didn't trade that. I traded this, this, and this. 3 trades. So break even on overall. Obviously, another $10 for commissions, which sucks. And I'm up $30 because I've started 5,150.